Hi, I'm Nirmala. Welcome to Data Stories with Nirmala. AI found the problem in seconds. In this video, I will explain my QA defect dashboard in a simple way. This dashboard helps identify top defects, problem machines, and defect trends using inspection data. In quality assurance, it is important to know where defects happen and why. Raw data alone is hard to understand, so I clean the data using Python and SQL. I corrected defect names, removed duplicates, and calculated defect rates. Then I built this dashboard in Power BI. This chart shows the top defect types, and we can see misprint is the highest defect. The trend chart shows how defects change over time. The machine chart shows which machine has the most defects. From this analysis, I found machine M1 and misprint are the main issues. Fixing these can help reduce defects significantly. Thank you for watching.